begins for Supernova Film House. Pushed by strong attraction to cutting-edge innovations, we built the first project of a complete brand communication. Working alongside with our client Swisseagle SA, we studied and developed new creative ideas. Thus, we sent the clearest message possible, maintaining coherence and without breaking general human marketing laws. Visionary ideas become dynamic and high-impact results. Our team ensures no detail is overlooked, providing personalized solutions and seamless collaboration. We strive for excellence, turning creative visions into impactful campaigns that resonate with target audiences and drive results. Push the limits. Supernova Film House. Push the limits.